I'm going to explain to you how mobile home parks work faster than you've ever heard before. So if you want to hear more about mobile home parks, smash that subscribe button and you're going to get it. So mobile home parks are like a hybrid of a developer builder and a for-profit homeowners association. As a community owner, we own the land and the infrastructure. Infrastructure would be things like roads, things like electrical lines, things like street lights, things like clubhouses and pools and all that stuff. Even things like laundry rooms that generate additional income, we own that. The one thing that we do not own is the homes. The residents own the homes, and they pay us lot rent every month so that their home can be sitting on our land. Now, just like a developer builder, we bring in homes, new and used, onto empty lots. And then what we do is we sell them to happy residents who pay us lot rent. And as we fill up the community, we generate more and more revenue for the community owner. And that is how a mobile home park works.